In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on Facebook. To do so, it is quite simple and we shall just follow some few steps to be able to create a group chat. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So to get started, head over to Messenger here and then tap on it. Once you are here, identify the people or the contacts you want to add to the group chat. For my case, I want to add this and others. If you can see the contact here, go ahead and search for the contact using the search button here. You can just search for one of them to get started with, and that will be okay. So I'll go ahead and use this. So to create the chat, long press on the contact, and then you'll see we have an option here called create group chat with this person. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Then I'll have to give the group a name. So I have given it a name. Now at this point, you can now go ahead and add other members to the group chat. For instance, I can go ahead and add this person and any other that I so wish. So add as many as you can from your list. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on create. And that is it. The group chat has been created. From here, you can now begin the conversation or the chats. So anything you write here, it will be available or it will be shared among the members of the group. So that's how you create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.